In this video, you will learn how to use word effects on Messenger app. So without further ado, let's get started. First, you have to simply open up your Messenger app, and then you have to simply tap on your specific friend chat. And after that, you have to simply tap on the information eye icon which will display at the top right side of the screen. Now you can see there's a word effect option. So if you want to get this option, you have to simply update your Facebook Messenger app, and after that you have to simply tap on the word effect. So here I just want to type hi, and if I type the hi, so you can notice that there's a little emoji icon, so you have to simply tap on this one. Now I want to select the specific emoji, like I just want to select here hand emoji, and after selecting the specific emoji and the specific word, then you have to simply tap on this arrow icon. I want to go back to the chat section. Now when I send the hi message to this particular username, so you can see the word effects hand emoji will be displayed automatically if I send the hi message. So by using this process, you can easily send any word effect on a specific word or phrase on Facebook Messenger app by using this method. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video helpful for you, then please like, comment and share this video. And if you want to get the more informative videos regarding Instagram and all the social media apps, so keep subscribe this channel and turn on bell notification icon for to get more latest video updates from this channel. Thank you so much for watching.